Gro-Mane beauty products, which allows one person to do so many different hairstyles. You will love these oils. Healthy hair begins with healthy scalp. Gro-Mane hair oil will get you there. Or the 3 R's. I love both. They allow me to do so many different styles, such as a twist out, an untwist out, braids, an unbraid out, a curl out, a straight flat iron look, a messy bun. The right oils can grow your hair, keep your hair moisturized and conditioned, and most of all, it will keep your scalp healthy. Order it today. Get your triple hair grow pack. The Black Friday special starts today.